Guys, how are you? Coach Dimitri here from Pure Body Type Training. I'm going to take you through the elevated push-up, okay? So you've been able to do the push-up. Yes, you can do many push-ups from the floor with your knees straight and your arms bent. Great. What's the next progression? Get your feet up. So for this, you simply want to come down to the floor. You want to bring your feet to a high riser, okay, and hold this position. Now, the only thing I'm going to tell you to watch on is the angle at which your weight comes down over your wrist. What you want to do is still maintain that chest over wrist positioning, and as you come down, make sure your hips do not cave forward. This is not good. This is a bridge that's breaking down. This is a strong bridge. So slowly lower yourself, time under tension in the chest. Inhale, exhale, come right back up. What you can also focus on is not locking the elbows out. Now, if this becomes really easy, and you can do this really hard, next step is knee tuck, push up. Knee tuck to change it up. Or you can have one knee in the air and continue doing Spider-Man push-up. Okay, so that is how you do the elevated push-up to improve and progress from the basic push-up.